Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Sooni pouch for July 2019. This is a Korean beauty box. This is their highest tier, which is Sooni pouch. They also have Sooni pouch mini and Sooni mask pouch, I guess. I think that's what it's called. And I get the biggest one. I think it's, I want to say $37 or $38 a month. Maybe it's $35.99. Anyway, I'll leave it in the description below. So let's check it out. Comes in a mailer like this. I have something to tell you. Oh, it's stuck. It's nice to finally meet you. Cool. It's got a sweet little hand sign note. Thank you for subscribing. Lovingly prepared by Crystal. And the information there. So it's got this paper kind of packaging. Puff, useful beauty tool for makeup. Little makeup sponges. Foodaholic Natural Touch Olive Moisture Hand Cream. Ooh, there it is. I have this. I literally think I just gave it away in the giveaway. Wow. The universe loves me. This is Yadam Bit Aqua Water Drop Cream. It's like a nice moisturizing cream. Ooh. Tony Moly Eye Tone Glitter. It's like in a really deep, looks black, but it's like a deep blue, like a midnight. Cool. Green Tea Nose Pack by Etude House. Delight Circle Lens Mascara. Tony Moly. Collagen Plentiful Essential Skin Mask. Ooh, Revive the Skin Day by Day Facial Mask, Black Pearl. And then Coffee Milk. And we got some sweet little Pink Vital Water Toner and Emulsion samples. So this is my Sooni pouch for the month of July. Some pretty cool Korean beauty products, although this time I think it was a little bit more makeup focused. So that's something to consider. Here is their insert, where it's just Yadam Bit Aqua Water Drop Cream, Etude House Pink Vital Water Toner and Emulsion, the Foodaholic Olive Moisture Hand Cream, the makeup sponges, and then we've got the 4 little mask items. Oh, and I forgot the mascara and the eyeshadow. This is Sooni pouch, guys. Cool little K-beauty subscription. I would definitely check them out. I'll leave a link for them in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment if you haven't already subscribed, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.